I've seen a lot of what you guys have done, and it's remarkable. And it is a lifestyle choice. It's almost I wouldn't say a lifestyle choice, it's a lifestyle aspiration. I think of backyard barbecues and boats, right? And the most wonderful thing about the backyard barbecue is you guys got the backyard handled. That is its own sanctuary. How serious do you take that when you realize, like, you are improving somebody's life by the creation that you make?
No, it's a critical piece in everything we do. So, we start off with those kind of conversations about lifestyle, about aspirations, about activities, about what do the kids do? What do you guys do for fun? Where do you go for fun? What if you could bring some of that vacation and put it in your backyard? Would that be possible? Do you like to cook? How do you like to cook? We can do all kinds of crazy outdoor kitchen things and tailor them to exactly how you're going to use them and exactly the experiences you want to have for your family and friends.
I mean, you're not just looking for a bunch of one-offs. You don't want to throw in a nice backyard and that be it. You are looking for and aspire to find and do the type of work that demands the lifetime client.
I've got folks that I've worked with on the same property for over 30 years. I've got clients who take us with them when they move. Second house, third house, one up to number 8.
Wow.
I have some that take us on vacation to a lake house because they can't find anybody local that can do the level of work we can do and help them with. And now I've been doing this long enough. We're doing work for our original clients' kids and the family, and they're excited because they grew up in our creation that mom and dad figured out, right? That we helped them figure out, and now they want to replicate that themselves. So it's super gratifying, and it is a lifestyle business.
You have a fascinating mix. I mean, you're a horticulturalist, so you're a know everything plant guy, and then you are a landscape architecture. So you combine those two. I mean, it's like a yard double PhD. How much does that help you comparatively when you're dealing with your competitors in this space? That's a rare combo.
Like I say, I have dual citizenship in the landscape world, right? So I've got the science of the horticulture piece, soil science and plant sciences, and then the art form of the landscape architect. So we're a little bit of a rare cat in that regard. Many people get into So there's many landscapers that are business people that happen to do landscaping, and they may do a great job and build out fine things, but they're not going to come at it with the creativity that the landscape architect has, right? And then there's a number of companies that are started by either a horticulturalist or a landscape architect, and they're going to have their focuses. If you're a horticulturalist, you probably do great gardens, and it's plant focused. And if you're a landscape architect, you might do great structures, but may not have the plant base to go together. So we try to be rounded and do it all. So we want to make sure that every aspect is handled well, artfully, scientifically. Soils, grading, drainage. We have a lot of challenges in the Midwest that we need to bring solutions to in the landscape.